What a machine tool. Well, today I'm at AM Hydraulics to look at their latest investment into the Shibora TUE200. This company dates back to 1978, and I'm going to have the privilege to meet with 3 generations of the family. Kooks, it was about 2 years ago since I visited last, and yet again you've made another massive investment into the Shibora machine from MTDCNC Technologies and Webster Bennett.
That's right, Gio. 2 years have just passed like that. And this is our latest investment through LEADER and collaboration with Webster and Bennett, Ian Bayliss.
Well, congratulations on the latest investment. It's absolutely amazing. But more importantly, today we want to look also into the history of the company that dates back to 1978. Can you tell our audience a little bit about how this business originated?
So we're a family-owned business. My dad and grandfather started it in 1978. That's my dad.
Yes.
So my grandfather and my father started in 1978, and then I joined in 2002. And coming into the 4th generation now is my son Sach, who's going to be hopefully taking over in the next few years.
Let's start with your father, Kooks. Now, Lashkar, can you tell me, why you started the business?
To keep the industry going.
And were you always an engineer?
Always been in engineering, yeah.
And are you very proud of your son and your grandson
that
are taking over?
Very, very proud, yeah.
That's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, Kooks, you've been quite inspirational. You're a big face in the industry, not just in Birmingham, but across the UK.
I didn't know that till you told me.
Well, you definitely are. Do you believe that your son, Satchveer Singh, is going to follow in your footsteps?
I really hope so, Gio. As I said, he's just finished his GCSEs. He's doing an apprenticeship over the next 2 months before he starts his A-levels. And we're pushing him towards an engineering degree.
Right, Sach, let's talk to you then next. Are you passionate about engineering like your father and your grandfather and your great-grandfather?
Yeah, I would say so.
And what are you learning on your apprenticeship at the minute?
I'm learning how to clock jobs and set up the machines and just the basics.
You couldn't wish for a better facility to really learn engineering than this in Birmingham, could you?
Yeah, this is a good experience.
It's fantastic, and it's an absolute pleasure to kind of be here again at AM Hydraulics and to review some of the latest technologies that's taking you into the future. What are your aspirations for the future, Kooks?
Put the future to the side a minute, Gio. Going back to the start of the pandemic, we're one of the few companies that worked right throughout the pandemic. We didn't close, and we kept on investing. And the reasoning behind was just to keep pushing. So when we do eventually come out of this, and which we are seeing now, we're in a very strong position, new capacity, new capability to bring on new customer base and expand our existing customer base.
And with the investment in the new Shibora machine and with the capabilities that this machine offers, have you seen new contracts won here?
Absolutely. This machine brings us live milling, added capability and capacity, and we've actually, off the back of it, won a major contract.
Well, that's absolutely fantastic news.
The fruition of all that investment's coming through.
And you talk about the capabilities. Why did you purchase this machine? You look around this fantastic shop floor, you've already got some very large, capable vertical lathes. What specifically kind of drew you to this machine tool?
Well, we've got a lot, as you mentioned, a lot of heavy machines from the Sheffield area, from a person I call Uncle. But this particular machine is basically down to our relationship with Ian Bayliss at Webster and Bennett, and then obviously our new relationship with LEADER.
And they've supported you well?
Absolutely. It's been phenomenal. They came in, the lads were fantastic, the fitting team, the handover, the support. It's been very good.
Kooks, and all of your family, I wish you well, and absolutely massive congratulations from us all at MTDCNC. We look forward to visiting you again soon when the new machine arrives.
Thank you very much. Thank you.